So we stopped by Ingles to get lunch. We're gonna watch our son crash that buggy. Brayden, watch the car.
Thank you.
Brayden, no running, please. No, go. No running. Hey, Brayden, if you be quiet, we might hear from you. You might see you. Survived another heavy load with the cart. Went right over everything. And thanks to all my work yesterday, the trail's a lot smoother to go up and over. I need to work on it some more today. Need to clean up some of this. I think I want to clean up the trail first. Get rid of all the logs. And then I should get that. I bought in the summer.
What should buy this, Daddy?
I think I bought this at Home Depot
Home
in the
Depot.
summer.
I
It
wanna
says
eat
50 something right now, but I don't know how accurate that is.
A flower cake.
Hmm?
A flower cake.
Okay,
I
go
want
for
it.
it.
Okay, wait.
What this is for? Pocket. I'm gonna stretch it out
Flash it out.
and bolt it down. I'm gonna put it on.
What is this?
Guys, tent. It's called tent stakes.
It stays at the tent.
Yeah.
What you need your hammer?
Yeah. Can you get me my hammer over
Yes.
there? That's one of Brayden's Christmas gifts from a friend of mine. We call him Uncle Lee.
I really like this tent.
You really like the tent? Good.
Well, had an orange tent.
Yeah, we have an orange tent too.
It's not real no more.
And you go down and you hit a rock. Next.
Where's my toy, Mommy? I want my slide toy, Mommy.
Yeah, I got the fire started today. I brought in some kindling and some logs from our garage, where it's been drying for probably a couple years now, and that started just fine. And she's about to burn down our forest. Oh, all that fell out right here.
Mommy, is Daddy Elsa playing in there?
Okay, let me fix it.
He brought got Brayden a really nice tent. I like it.
Daddy's tent dark.
Well, that's fine. That way you can see your TV better. Okay, if it was too bright, you won't be able to see your TV.
It's too dark right there. I can't see no more in
Yeah, it's lunchtime. We've got the fire going. We have Brayden's tent set up. I have the thermometer set up. Food. We've got a roast chicken, Bengals. I'm just gonna. Some chicken breasts. Brayden, keep that thing away from your head. It's sharp
Okay.
and it's dirty.
That's not dirty.
Well, now it is, or now it's clean because it got all over your jacket. Yeah, he has been struggling all day with that cart. Can't leave it alone, and he makes so much noise. He gets aggravated with it, starts screaming, and it aggravates us. So I don't know where to begin with him.
Only from the ground.
No. Don't leave it
It's
alone.
only from the table that birds that eat it.
Okay. You gonna share it to the birds?
Yes.
Thank you.
I started bucking up this tree. I noticed it was hollow. We got us a new toilet.
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, this is gonna be pain. That thing is heavy too. So, yeah, it's a 50 something degrees. I have the thermometer on the north side of the tree, so it doesn't really get any sun. So yeah, about 50, a little bit over 50 degrees today.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cut this up.
It looks like it's a train.
It's like an elephant trunk, huh?
Yes.
Ooh. Huh?
It looks like an elephant nose. There's an
Elephant nose?
Yes.
Let's see. Oh.
Daddy takes the kid and break out.
Yeah, so
Daddy takes stuck it in a toy.
yeah. So I had the chain pinched on one of these snare traps from a log falling on it, and it pinched the chain, and I kind of wiggled it out of there. I guess it must have loosened it, and then on the next cut, when I finished the next cut, it came off. So
Look at the part of the train stuck. Oh, the spiky wheel.
I knew it was going to happen eventually. Happens to everybody, so.
You want to try it and broke this?
What I like about my cover is that the nuts are held on captive, so that they don't fall off. What's the worst thing that can happen to somebody is they lose their nuts. Huh? Oh, it got bound up with leaves and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, you changed the broken.
No, it's not broken. It's not broken. Just needs to come all the way off. They go behind the. Take off the bar.
Fix it.
Yeah. I'm sure that.
Look, I found something dirty in there.
Yeah, it's really dirty in there.
An engine dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. Okay, watch out. Let's kind of clean it out just a little bit. Make sure that since I have off the cover, might as well, huh?
I can fix that.
No, Brayden, please don't play with the chain. Okay?
I want to fix it.
No. Table that I made
It's
out
a
of some
long-
stumps.
You need a long table.
Yeah.
This is my table.
Yeah. I
There's
see.
a little seat there.
Little seat there. Yeah.
It's broken. I want to fix it.
So it'll be easy to get it on. Oh, you getting it on?
Yes.
Is it on the right way?
Yes.
Okay.
Another
Okay.
I don't know fix everything.
Because there's a right way and a wrong way.
It's the right way. That's the drill.
Okay, watch out. Because it's pokey.
Okay. It seems too hard for you.
No. Hold on. Let me get it. It's right there. Okay.
Oh.
It needs to go back. Oh, wow. How much is it? Hold on. This is causing me grief. In the bar? Now we're good. How much slack is there? Oh, it's kind of tight.
We need a tighter.
Yeah.
We need to cover the engine.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
Engine and change stop.
Okay,
now.
let's just.
I want to help you.
Okay, hold on. Let me get this on first.
What you do with the nuts?
I'm turning them on.
I want to turn them in this.
Okay, hold on. Okay, turn it now.
Hit this one.
Yeah, keep tighten. No, tighten this way. Take it off and then go again.
I want to try.
Keep doing. Keep going. No, take it off and then move it. Okay. Take it off and no, that's too small. There you go. Tighten this one too. Tighten this back one. No, out the other way. Start from here. Go there. Like this.
I want to help you.
Go. Okay, go.
What is this?
No, other way. I need it tight.
I see the hole there.
Yeah, there's a hole. And I'll show you what that. No, other way. Turn it this way. Here, that way. Now go. Now turn. There you go.
Maybe.
It's tight.
Not yet. Maybe still.
Okay. Okay, get the other one. No, not too tight. Hold on. Let's check the chain first. Let's see this chain. Okay. You need the chain to come out just a little bit. See, this comes out too much. See how much is coming out? So what you do, let's loosen this a little bit. Okay. Let's tighten this up some more. And I'm gonna tighten this up right here. There's a, see? This goes in and you can tighten up the chain just a little bit.
I want to try.
Hold on, let me check it. Let me check. Nope, still comes out too much. Put it in there. Okay. Hold on. Let's get it. Okay, now turn it a little bit.
Okay.
No, the other way. This way.
This way.
Okay, that should be good. Let's try it. Let's check it again. Oh yeah, that's about where I want it. That's where Daddy wants it. Where it comes out just a little bit. Okay. Now Okay, let's tighten up the rest. Tighten up this one as hard as you can. There you go. You backed it off. You gotta tighten and then take it off. There you go. Now a socket wrench. Watch your hands, okay? The chain is sharp. Okay, let's try it. You got it? Okay, that's good. That's good. Tighten up the back one. Okay, let me check everything. Let's see if it's still. Yeah. There we go. Is it the teeth are the right way? Okay, so on the bottom, so you have two parts to the teeth. Okay. The front part is called a raker. It sets the height of the cut.
Wow.
And then this back part is the tooth, and it's sharp. Okay. You have to sharpen these. And you have to file these down after you sharpen. So we need to make sure that on the bottom you have the raker first, and then the tooth. And you have raker, tooth, raker, tooth.
And look, is this stuff there?
And there's one that's where there's nothing on it. Okay.
What are the birds gonna do?
Hmm.
The trees are being broken, and all the trees are being broken. So what?
Dang, he got them pretty tight. I just cut that today.
We're going
Been
to
messing around mostly with the fire, his tent, and him being aggravating.
I took up for the fire.
But I'm gonna go cut out the other snare trap and see what happens, and go from there. But we brought a tarp today, so I want to put a tarp over that wood over there to where we can keep it dry. So the next time we come, we have dry wood to burn. So work day today over here at the hideaway, and maybe in their hideaway. We're moving trees.
Our neighbor.
I think next time I need to bring an axe to where I can start splitting some of this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I like to keep poking it, making sure that trying to get to the bottom to where there's air coming up, so that the and you can see how like at all the vent holes at the top, that's where like the fire comes up. It's so cool how that thing burns. But there's no smoke right now. Like when you have it hot, there's just no smoke, and I love it.
What happened? Oh, isn't that the trash or dirty? need to wash.
What I got over here is I'm making a simple little frame for. We're gonna put a tarp over the logs so that they stay dry. And that way we have dry firewood every time we come. So yeah, these are starting to, at least the ones at the bottom, the big logs are starting to dry. But I want all the small stuff we have to stay dry too. So I think every time like we cut up like the small little twigs and stuff, we need to just kind of lay it in here somewhere so that it stays dry. But starting to bust up this root ball so that we can fill in the hole, cut all this up so we can get it out of here. Yeah. Whoops. And then fold it over your foot. Okay. And then we're gonna grab this. We're gonna step right here. No, other foot. And then we're gonna grab that corner. I'm gonna fold it over here. Fold it all the way to the edge. Over here. Can you get it? Okay. And then we fold it in half. And then we roll it up. I got it. Roll it up like a mat. Can you roll it?
Hup, hup, hup. Big. It's so big.
So, this is the end of the weekend. Tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day, so we're just gonna stay at home. I bucked up this tree, or most of it that went across over here. I took out the two trees that were kind of like snare traps. I cut those down. Cut that out. There was a dead log where the wagon, where our cart is at. Got that out. I brought over our, I had an extra tarp so where we can cover up our firewood a bit so it doesn't get too wet. So hopefully we'll have dry firewood next time. I'm still gonna bring firewood from home because I know that's super dry. Brayden has made noise all day long. He has not stopped. I can't wait till like I can come out here by myself without him. Enjoy the quietness. But our neighbor has been running his skid steer, hauling logs and rocks most of the day. So, we have our fire put out. It's just a little steam right now. So yeah, and yeah, Brayden had his tent set up. That was pretty nice. I like the tent. So
Thank you to Uncle Lee.
yeah, thank you to Uncle Lee. But now it's time to go home. Oh, you know what? Let's bring this other milk jug too. Might as well fill them all up. Right? Saw that? I'm good. I think if we clear that area out, baby, I want to put the fire pit over there because it's flat. Or put the fire pit, and if we have a tent, we put it over there. Maybe put up a little fence. Come camping like that instead. Whacked on that for about 5-10 minutes with the big Maddox. Got it kind of, it's coming down slowly, but there's this huge rock at the bottom. I don't know if that's ever gonna come out. Yeah. So, but yeah, this all needs to come out some kind of way so we can flatten it out. All right, let's go.